Are you tired of wrestling with a clunky cord while vacuuming? Do you dread battling pet hair that seems to cling to everything? If so, the Kenmore DS1030 Cordless Stick Vacuum might be your new cleaning hero. This lightweight and versatile cordless vacuum boasts features designed for quick cleanups, effective pet hair removal, and convenient storage. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities and potential drawbacks of the DS1030 to see if it's the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Cordless Freedom. Maneuvering made easy. One of the most significant advantages of the Kenmore DS1030 is its cordless design. This eliminates the frustration of tangled cords and the need to constantly search for an outlet. The lightweight design, at just under 3 pounds for the handheld unit, makes maneuvering around furniture and tight corners a breeze. The swivel steering further enhances maneuverability, allowing you to navigate even the most challenging cleaning areas. Battling pet hair. The EasyCut Nozzle saves the day. Pet owners know the constant struggle against pet hair. The Kenmore DS1030 tackles this challenge with its innovative EasyCut Nozzle. This ingenious feature boasts a button that removes tangled hair and debris from the brush roll with ease. No more stopping to manually remove hair buildup or struggling with scissors. The EasyCut Nozzle keeps your vacuum functioning optimally and eliminates the frustration of tangled messes. 2-speed settings and LED headlight. Adapting to your cleaning needs, the Kenmore DS1030 offers 2-speed settings, allowing you to choose between an eco mode for everyday cleaning and a max mode for tougher messes. This versatility ensures that you can adjust the cleaning power to suit your specific needs. Additionally, the LED headlight helps illuminate dark spots and corners, ensuring you don't miss a single speck of dust or pet hair, even under furniture or in dimly lit areas. Transforming for above-floor cleaning. The Detachable Handheld Unit. The Kenmore DS1030 offers more than just floor cleaning. The Detachable Handheld Unit, weighing a mere 3 pounds, is perfect for tackling above-floor cleaning tasks. This handheld unit is ideal for cleaning furniture, upholstery, car interiors, and other areas that are often neglected with traditional upright vacuums. The included accessory tools, such as the long crevice tool, dusting brush, and 2-in-1 combination tool, further enhance the versatility of the DS1030 for various cleaning scenarios. A few considerations before you buy. Battery life and bagless design. While the Kenmore DS1030 offers a compelling set of features, there are a few factors to consider before making a purchase. The advertised runtime of 45 minutes is in eco mode, and using the max mode will likely reduce the cleaning time. For larger homes or those who need to clean for extended periods, the battery life might be a limiting factor. Additionally, the DS1030 is a bagless vacuum, which means you'll need to empty the dustbin regularly. While some users prefer the convenience of a bagless design, others might find emptying the dustbin messy. The verdict: a convenient and effective option for quick cleanups and pet hair. Overall, the Kenmore DS1030 Cordless Stick Vacuum presents a strong option for those who prioritize convenience, lightweight maneuverability, and effective pet hair removal. The cordless design, EasyCut Nozzle, and 2-speed settings make it a versatile tool for quick cleanups and tackling everyday messes. However, the battery life and bagless design might be drawbacks for some users. If you're looking for a cordless, lightweight vacuum cleaner that excels at quick cleanups, handles pet hair with ease, and offers convenient storage, then the Kenmore DS1030 is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.